Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your first $1,000 a month online. I'm talking about real passive income. I'm going to share with you in this video my $40 million system, the same system that has helped thousands of people make thousands of dollars online. Guys, this is real. This is happening. Now, before I share with you, make sure to like and subscribe in the channel. That being said, let's get on with the video. Now, when I say that you could be making $1,000 a month with this system, I'm actually being conservative. We have people that have made over $10,000, $50,000, $100,000, $200,000, $500,000, and people who have made or surpassed $1 million in earnings with this system. We have guys like James from England who has already surpassed $1 million with this system. We have guys like Salvatore who already surpassed $400,000 in earnings with the system, or Katarina who already surpassed $500,000 with this system. We have guys like Chad who already surpassed $1 million using this system. So this is real, and like I said, you could be doing the same thing. So watch this video until the end. Seriously, go through the whole video so you can see how you can get started today. Now, essentially, this is an affiliate system. Now, if you have heard of affiliate marketing, if you've tried affiliate marketing, don't leave the video because I guarantee you have never seen something like this. In fact, this is nothing like Amazon, ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, none of that stuff. Now, if you haven't heard of affiliate marketing, I'm going to quickly explain what it is and then show you the system. So, affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is the best business for anyone to start looking to make money online. It requires very little money to get started. You can actually be successful working just a few hours a day. You don't need to create or develop your own products. You don't need to spend money on rent or employees. You don't have to worry about support, refund, or none of that legal stuff. At the end of the day, your job as an affiliate is finding a top seller product, promoting that top seller product to the right audience, and earning commissions. You find a top seller product, promote it, earn commissions. That's it. So if you have tried affiliate marketing before and you haven't succeeded, it could be one of these three things, or actually it could be those three things combined. So number one, the product that you're promoting is a bad product. It doesn't have real demand. It's not something that people actually find useful and people want to buy. Number two, the affiliate program is not good. You're building somebody else's businesses instead of building your own. Last but not least, number three, you could be a bad affiliate. You might be using a bad strategy that doesn't work anymore. And so in this video, I'm going to share with you, number one, a top seller product that is selling every single day because there is real demand out there. I'm going to show you the best affiliate program in the industry for you to build passive income, build yourself a real business for yourself, not for other people. And number three, I'm going to share with you a $1 million strategy that is generating thousands of dollars online every single month. So that being said, I'm going to jump into my computer and I'm going to show you exactly how to get started. Okay, so now that I'm in my computer, let me show you exactly what product that I've been talking about this whole time. If you access Builderall.com, you're going to be able to see exactly what I'm showing you. So first things first, what is this product? What is the solution that they offer, and why is there so much demand for this product? So Builderall is a digital marketing solution. Anyone looking to create websites, anyone looking to create sales funnels, anyone looking to create webinars or do email marketing, create automations or anything like that, if you're looking to have an online presence, this is the software that you need. And that's why there's so much demand, because in 2022, everyone is going online. Everyone is looking to have an online presence. So they need a platform like this. And the good thing about a platform like this, a product like this, is that you pay monthly. So whenever you make a sale, you will earn commissions every single month. If I scroll down the page a little bit, you will see this is the only platform with over 1,000 features and 50 tools. They offer so many tools. Literally anything that you want to do online, you can do it with Builderall. They have a website builder, a website builder for WordPress. They have email marketing, professional email. They have social proof. They have a quiz builder, help desk, super checkout, website chatbots, messenger chatbots. They have a webinar tool. They have an e-learning tool, a funnel builder. They have browser notification, video hosting, mockup studio, ClickMap, Instagram chatbots. I'm not going to go over all of these tools, but if you access the website right now, builderall.com, you can actually see what each tool does and all of their features. So for example, if I click here on learn more, again, I clicked on Cheetah Builder. This is the website builder that they have. You will be redirected to this page. If you scroll down the page, you will see that this is one of the most, if not the most powerful website builder in the world. Seriously, scroll down the page, you will see the videos that they have, you will see the design that they have, you will see all of the features, checkouts, you will see the power of the tool. And this is just one of the tools that they have, which is the website builder. I'm gonna keep scrolling down so you can see a little bit of the website. They have A/B split testing, check out how cool this is. They have a auction system, and this is the cool thing. Look, integration with over 40 tools. So whenever you purchase Builderall, and that's why most people like it, most people stick with this software, is that whenever they buy this, they get 40 tools and all of the tools are integrated with each other. Meaning that if you want to build a website and you want to integrate it with your webinar and email marketing and calendar, you can easily integrate everything into one system. You're not going to have to go through hours of tutorials and trainings and webhooks to be able to make everything function together. This is a tool made for you to build everything that you need, a full functional business for you to have an online presence with ease. Now, I don't think I need to explain too much why there is a huge demand for a tool like this. I mean, if you are a gym owner, you're gonna need a website, you're gonna need a funnel, you're gonna need a way to capture leads and convert those leads into clients. If you are a real estate agent, you need an online presence as well. You need to be able to capture leads for you to contact to later on show them the houses that you're trying to sell. And that goes for every profession: chiropractors, for dentists, for coaches, for affiliate marketers looking to promote other people's products. They need to build websites and funnels. This is good for business owners. This is even good for people that are looking for a job and they need to create a website to show their skills. This is good for freelancers who are looking to make money with websites. This is good for agencies that are looking to build online businesses for their clients. So like I said, everyone needs this tool. Okay, that is why there is such huge demand for a product like this. Now, I've said this before, but I'm going to say it again. This is a monthly subscription product. So whenever you make a sale today, you will keep earning commissions as long as that person keeps using the service. Now, the reason why people purchase this and they keep using it forever is because, think about this. The moment you put your website online, you're not going to take it down. You're going to pay for the hosting. The moment you build a sales funnel, you're going to keep it live. The moment you build an email marketing sequence, you're going to keep it there because you need your prospects, you need your leads to keep receiving your emails. If you are building an online course and you use the e-learning tool, the moment you publish your course, you're not going to take it down. So you're going to pay it monthly. And this is why most of the people that purchase this product will stay with the product for a very long time. Now, to answer the second question, how do I make money with this? What is the affiliate system? And why is it different from selling products on Amazon? Why is it different from ClickBank? Why is it different from JVZoo and so on? I'm going to show you. So if you scroll all the way up, you go to the header and you click the affiliate tab, you're going to be redirected to the affiliates page. Now you're going to scroll all the way down to where you see the earnings calculator. And this earnings calculator will calculate your potential earnings after 1 year based on these 3 questions. How many sales can you make in a year? How many affiliates can you bring in 1 year? And how many sales can each affiliate make in 1 year? After you answer all of these 3 questions, you will see your monthly, your passive income generated by selling just Builderall alone. And like I said in the beginning of this video, $1,000 with this system is extremely conservative. The reason is because this is a 2-tier affiliate system. It's nothing like multi-level. Please don't confuse this with multi-level marketing. Not that there's anything wrong with multi-level. This is just a 2-tier affiliate system, meaning that you make a sale and you earn the commissions based on your sales, and you also earn a commission based on the sales of your affiliates. So unlike a regular affiliate system out there, let's say you're promoting a product on JVZoo, okay, and you start making sales. let's say your friend wants to also join this affiliate program and promote the same product as you. The moment he does that, he becomes your competition. So what this does, the two-tier affiliate system turns your competition into your team, with everyone helping each other out. So when you promote Builderall, you know that you're going to be making some sales, but you also know that you're going to be leveraged by making money, by making commissions from other people selling the same product as you. And I'm gonna show you how this works. So let's answer the first question. How many sales can you make in 1 year? 1 year has 52 weeks. So let's say you only make one sale per week, which again is extremely conservative. You would make 52 sales. Again, in 1 year, you have 52 weeks. That is one sale per week. And in 1 year, you have 52 sales. How many sales can you bring? No, sorry. How many affiliates can you bring in 1 year? So out of these 52 sales, let's say half of these people become affiliates. So let's say 25. Let's say half of these people become affiliates and they start promoting the product as well. You see that you haven't made any money from people becoming affiliates, because if you want to become an affiliate, it's free. You don't have to pay to become an affiliate, and that's the difference between us and a multi-level company. So you have made $1,233. That's not even counting the leverage that you have from your affiliates selling Builderall as well. Now let's recap. You have made in 1 year 52 sales, you have brought 25 affiliates, and now let's answer the third question. Of these 25 affiliates that you have brought to Builderall in 1 year, how many sales did they make? Let's be extremely conservative here. You made one sale per week. Let's say each one of your affiliates only make one sale per month. These are bad affiliates. They're only making one sale per month. So in 1 year, each one of them made 12 sales. How much money do you make? Well, you made $1,000 of passive income from your sales alone, but with the leverage system, the two-tier affiliate system, by your 25 affiliates making 12 sales in 1 year, you have generated yourself $8,000 per month. And that is the power of this affiliate system. And that's why you can make so much passive income with this. Now, this will get crazy because think about this. What if your affiliates get trained by you? They get really good training, they're motivated, and they make the same amount of sales as you. What if they also make one sale per week, which again is extremely conservative. One sale per week is 52 sales in 1 year. Guys, you have generated yourself $32,000 of passive income. There's actually one guy, I talk about him a lot. His name is Franco. He's part of the top 10 affiliates. He's currently generating $40,000 a month with Builderall alone, and he barely promotes Builderall anymore, and he's still generating $40,000 of passive income just with Builderall. We have, and like I said in the beginning of the video, we have people that have surpassed $200, $300, $500, $1 million with Builderall. And guys, that is the affiliate system. Builderall is a huge product with real demand out there. The affiliate system is the best affiliate system in the industry. Now, the only thing left for us to do is answer the last question. How can you make this happen? How can you make these sales? How can you make 2-3 sales per week? Or the bare minimum, being extremely conservative, how can you make one sale, just one sale per week, and build your team making new sales as well, generating you $5,000, $10,000, or $15,000 a month of passive income? You clicked on this video to see how you could make $1,000 a month. Now, I'm just going to show you one last thing before I share the strategy with you. Let's say you make 10 sales in 1 year, and of the 10 sales, you bring 10 affiliates, 10 affiliates, and each affiliate makes, let's say, 10 sales. Guys, look how ridiculous this is. You only make 10 sales in 1 year. Now, let's do this 12, because 10 sales in 1 year is less than one sale per month. You've brought 12 affiliates, and each affiliate also made one sale per month. Just by doing this, one sale per month, one affiliate per month, and each affiliate making one sale per month, you have surpassed $1,000 right there. You're making almost $4,000 of passive income. Again, passive income. Why? Because whatever you sell today will be your retirement later. Think about this. If you make a sale today, you will keep earning commissions as long as these people keep using the platform. So there is no reason for them to quit. As soon as they publish a website, as soon as they publish a course, as soon as they build a funnel, as soon as they create an email marketing system, as soon as they do a webinar, they will not cancel. Now, again, let's go over the strategies. What would I do if I was an affiliate starting out? If I was an affiliate starting out, I would click the link in the description. I'm going to put a link of a course that I put together. This is a course for my top 10 best affiliates. These are affiliates who are making so much money online selling Builderall alone. They are also affiliates for other products, but I'm showing you how they have made sales for this product with this affiliate system. So if you go to the link in the description, this is what you will see. This is what you could have access to. This is the top affiliate secrets. There is 15 lessons, and each lesson is a lesson on a top affiliate secret. The guy that I was talking about in the beginning of the video is James. James has a real nice lesson on how you can build a real business with Builderall. And the cool thing about James is that not only he shares with you how to get started, but how you can also scale and potentially make millions like he's making right now. And we have lessons from Franco that I just talked about, Chad, who also made $1 million, Alex Freeman. Alex Freeman is a guy from Israel, and he has the biggest marketing course in Israel with over 32,000 students registered, and he's going to teach you exactly how he did this. So if you want to learn marketing, you should learn from the best. You should learn from people who have done it. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing, you should learn from my top 10 best affiliates. This is a course where I share the step-by-step on how to do this. And this is not theory. This is what actually worked for each individual affiliate. So you're going to see what is actually working in real life today. These are the same strategies that they're still using today to make sales. And there's strategies here that require no investment. Like Chad, let me close this lesson, open Chad's lesson. Chad right here, he made $1 million. He's only 25, and it was all organically. So he did not spend or invest any money on ads. The money that he made was 100% profit, which is very, very rare seeing out there online and nowadays. And before I finish off the video, let's recap. You need 3 things to become a successful affiliate. Number 1, you need a top seller product. Number 2, you need a good affiliate system that will help you build your affiliate business. And number 3, you need the right strategies. Now, I can't go over all of these strategies in this video. That's why I put this course together. So make sure to check it out. The link in the description. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a like. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.